In this video, we will solve a problem to find a pair of elements in a sorted array such that their total is equal to a given number, for example 10. We want a pair of elements A and B such that their total is equal to 10. So in my example, I have taken 10, it can be anything. So for any given number, we have to find out pair of elements if it is existing in an array or not. So already I have an array which is already sorted. So in a sorted array, how to find this we will see. I'll show you the procedure. See, we want a pair. So first let us check whether there are any elements or not. Like 1 9 is there. And 4 6 is also there. Yes. So we have two pair of elements whose sum is equal to 10. So how to find out this? As the array is already sorted, all the smaller elements are on this side and the greater elements are on that side, right? So we want a pair of elements. So when there is a pair, then one number may be smaller and one number may be larger, right? Like 3 7 or 2 8. So that is total is 10. So smaller numbers are on this side, larger number on that side. So we can start scanning the array from either direction, from both the direction, to find one small element, one large element, so that the total is equal to 10. Yes, we will follow this idea. So for scanning through this one, so I will take I, that is starting on 0, and j on last index, that is n minus 1. Then using this I will proceed in this direction, j I will move it in this direction. Then what I have to do every time? Check whether these two are equal to 10. No, this is greater. This is greater. 1 plus 14 is 15, that is greater. So when it is greater means because that number is greater. So this is greater, the reason is that number is bigger, right? So let us check a smaller number. So I will decrement j. I will not increase I. Let I be there only, right? Now again check. 1 plus 12, 13. This is still greater. So because of that bigger number, we are getting the result greater than 10. So let us decrement j only, right? Let us decrement j only. Now this one, 10 plus 1, 11. Still it is greater than 10. So decrement j. Now 1 plus 9, yes, we got a pair. 1 and 9 are together forming 10. So yes, we got a pair. Next, once we got a pair, then we should increment I also and decrement j also, right? Both are done. Both I have done. Now watch. 3 plus 8. No, this is 11. This is greater. So what should be decremented? When we are getting any greater number means it is greater than 10 means decrement j. Now turn comes. This is important. 3 and 6, it's 9. It is less than 10. Reason, the number may be more smaller. So let us go to little bigger number. So move I. So if the total is greater than 10, k, then decrement j. If the total is less than k, then increment I. Now check them. 4 plus 6, yes, there is one more pair. One more pair of element whose total is equal to 10. Then move next. Then as we got a pair, increment I also and decrement j also. Now they have met at same place that are on single element. So pairing is not possible. So stop the procedure. So this is the procedure. Let me write on the code and show you. Now for performing this procedure, we need I in the beginning and j at the end. So and we are not incrementing I every time, we are not decrementing j every time. So we cannot use for loop. For loop will always do I plus plus or j minus minus. It will perform always. We don't want always, right? So we cannot use for loop. We can use, but the code will not be easily readable. So to make it simple, I will use while loop. I assign 0 and a j at n minus 1. Yes, this is here and this is here, right? Now how long I should perform this process? While I is less than j. Once they become equal, stop. Then what I should do every time? Check if these two are added, then the result should be equal to k. Check if a of I plus a of j is equal to k. If it is equal, then print. So I'll print three values, that is first number and the second number and the total. So the first number and second number, suppose it as 9. So 1 and 9 will be printed. So if it is equal, this is first case. And when they are equal, I should increment I also, as well as I should decrement j, right? Then, second case, if they are not equal, then this total may be greater or smaller. So I will write down else if a of I plus a of j, that is less than k. If it is less than k, if it is less means the number is smaller, so I should go to the bigger number. So I plus plus. Else means the number is greater, so I should decrement j, else j minus minus, right? See, if they are equal, do this. If it is less, then increment I. If it is greater, then decrement j. So this loop will continue as long as I is less than j, and it will stop once I is equal to j. So this is the procedure. Now analysis. What is the amount of time taken? It's very simple. Just we are going through all the elements, scanning them once, right? From the left side partial, and from right side we are taking partial. Total number of elements that we are scanning is n. So the time is linear. It is linear. Linear means n. So I should say it's order of n, or big O of n, whatever you call it as. I am calling it as order of n. So it's order of n. It's linear. Now at last, one more thing. See, I have used while loop here. Is it possible that we can do it using for loop? Let us check. If I write for loop, then this is a condition. Okay, I'll just write it I is less than j, right? Then this is the initial part. So I should be equal to 0 and comma j should be equal to n minus 1, right? N minus 1. Then this is the condition I less than j. Then what about I plus plus j minus minus? I don't have to do it always. It is based on condition. So leave it blank. You can leave it blank. So now I don't need these statements, right? Because they have become initialization part, and this is the condition. So this is how the for loop look like. Now for loop is not having one of the statement inside, that is whether increment or decrement, what is done here, it is not there. So that is missing, so it will confuse the reader what is happening here. So it's better using while loop, though you can use any one of the loop, or even you can use a do while loop also. So that's all in this video.